At Puget Sound Energy, we're partnering with employers to bring electric vehicle charging to the workplace. Now employees with EVs can charge at work and commute with confidence. Our Up Go Electric for Workplace program offers organizations the flexibility of two options. With the PSE-owned turnkey service, PSE handles everything, including site design, equipment purchases, and installation. With the customer-owned option, you take more ownership and control over the equipment and installation, while still taking advantage of incentives from PSE. Once you decide which ownership option works best for you, complete the application. Describe your project. Include the number of chargers you'd like to install and how many employees might use them. Tell us about your potential eligibility for enhanced Empower Mobility incentives, available for workplaces that serve or employ people from historically underrepresented communities, such as nonprofit organizations. Then, submit your application. We'll evaluate your project and let you know if it's selected for Up Go Electric for Workplace. If you chose the PSE-owned option, we'll review your property and collaborate on site design. Then go to work on permits, installation, and inspection, coordinating with you every step of the way. If you've selected the customer-owned option, you can go ahead with the purchase and installation of your equipment. Just submit your receipts to receive any incentives for which you qualify. Once your chargers are up and ready, we'll provide a welcome toolkit with information on how to use the chargers, setting up charging policies, and promoting the chargers to employees with EVs. Upgrade your workplace amenities with EV charging stations for your employees. Apply now at pse.com/workplacecharging. Up Go Electric from Puget Sound Energy, charging the future of transportation.